Have you ever seen wind and hail coverage along with the deductible on your home insurance? And have you ever wondered what that even means? It is the amount you pay out of pocket if your home gets damaged by wind or hail, such as damage caused by tornadoes, squall lines, or other wind events, including surprising hail hits. Unlike normal deductibles, this is usually a percentage of your home's insured value, not a flat number. So when storms hit, this determines your share of the costs. If you want help checking what actually is the limit, please contact the Gibson Agency Group today.